Welcome to DisplayBly.com.
Today we are going to introduce an assembly process of COB LCD module for digital scale. First, put the pins of the sockets into the holes of the PCB and solder them with tin. Second, programming the MCU. Third, split the big PCBA into 4 small ones. Fourth, install the 2 pins and the 4 legs of LED backlight into the holes of PCB. Fifth, remove the protection film from the top of LED backlight and the protection film from the bottom of LCD panel. Install the pins of LCD screen into the holes of PCB and press the LCD into the walls of LED backlight. Sixth, press the pillars of the plastic housing into the holes of PCB. Seventh, solder the pins of LCD screen and LED backlight with tin. Eighth, test if it is working properly.
Thank you for watching, and contact us if you have any questions.